Very nice. Guys, check it out. Sourdough bread. This bread have been proofing for quite a time. It's about 5 hours. Now it's time to transfer and get it ready for the oven. Time to... Okay, so I just tipped it over. We can take this off here. Very nice. So we just rub it a little bit of flour. Very beautiful. I just want to get it nice and even inside. Yes, we'll cut this nice line. And I will give it a little bit of... Good, now that that is done, we can see it looks quite stunning. It's just want to clean up a bit, using a nice brush. Excellent, time for the oven. Let's see how it goes.